Burp.
You are a mess. So Levi, how do you do that? How do you make yourself burp?
I do.
Do you swallow air?
Yeah.
Let me see. Here, let's hear another burp. You're a mess. You are such a mess.
You are a cat.
Okay. All done?
No.
One more big one.
I can do a really